Welcome everyone on Zoom and out on Facebook land to a very, very special presentation with our friends at North Dallas Bank and Trust Company. Now, before I turn everything over to them, we have a very, very special guest who would like to say something first. Deborah?
Hi, everyone. I'm Deborah Saxon, the owner of Celebration Magazine and Celebration Marketing Group and Celebration Senior Travel. And I just wanted to get on today to talk about North Dallas Bank for just a few minutes before they do their presentation. As you know, we've all been going through COVID and all of the things that happened with COVID. And in the beginning, when they offered, the government offered the payroll protection program, I went to my bank, which is not North Dallas Bank, and it was a large bank here in the United States. And they we signed up for the PPP, and I never heard back from them again. And my partners at North Dallas Bank, they have advertised with us for 5 or 6 years. They have been unbelievable partners for us. And we called each other and talked, and I talked to Daniel Cahill over at North Dallas Bank, and I said, you know, can you help me? And he said, Deborah, I can't help you right now. We have to take care of all of our customers, but I will be back in touch with you. And he checked in with me almost every week, more than that, to make sure that we were doing good here at Celebration. And about 3 or 4 weeks into COVID, into the PPP program, he called me on a Wednesday morning at 9 o'clock and said, Deborah, we're going to help Celebration. And he said, get all your information ready. I'm going to start crying. Get all your information ready, and we're going to help you. And by 1 o'clock that afternoon, Celebration was funded by the SBA for the PPP program. And if it was not for North Dallas Bank and the customer service and the people that work there, I don't know where we would be today. And so I just want, before you introduce North Dallas Bank, I wanted everyone to know that this bank holds a special place in my heart. We now at Celebration do all of our banking with North Dallas Bank, and they have been absolutely incredible to us. So I just wanted to give you my testimonial before they start, and before you hear anything that they have to say. This is truly a small American bank. They are amazing people and have been just so kind to all of us here at Celebration. So thank you for coming to this event today. Thank you for supporting them. Please, if you're looking for a new bank, I'm saying this isn't a sales pitch from them. If you're looking for a new bank, if you want customer service, and if you want people who care about you, I'm here to tell you personally, this bank blows every bank out of the water. And so I just wanted to say thank you to all of the North Dallas Bank people. You guys are amazing. And I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Have fun today and learn a lot. Online banking is amazing. If you don't do it, you're going to do it after this. And thank you so much for coming. Everyone have a great day and enjoy the program. Take it away, Zoe.
Well, thank you so much, Deborah. Yes, and from the entire Celebration team, we thank them and we appreciate North Dallas Bank and Trust for doing what they did for us. It was amazing. So that being said, I am going to turn the floor over to our team with North Dallas Bank and Trust. They have several people here to help you out today with any questions. But our presenter for today is Baharik Satuda, and here she is.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you, Celebration Magazine. Thank you, Deborah, for your kind and genuine introduction. That was very kind of you. We are in here. Welcome everybody to Zoom call with North Dallas Bank and of course our partner Celebration Magazine. I am Baharak Satude. I'm a business development officer with North Dallas Bank. I've been with the bank over 15 years. I have few colleagues in the call with me. Kathy Selvich, she is from our Frisco location, and I have Lisa Rushing from our corporate office, and we have Philip James also from our Dallas location in the call with me. They all business development officers. They do what exactly I do in the bank, and we're here to help our customers and prospect clients. And passing on, I just want to tell you a little bit about what I've experienced personally. I've known Celebration Magazine for a long time, and during COVID time, I personally get to meet Deborah Saxton and Gregory and also some of their staff members. They're wonderful people. North Dallas Bank was established and founded in 1961, and we just celebrated our 60 years birthday in July. I don't know how many of you are familiar with North Dallas Bank, or you heard of us. We are a community bank. We have 5 different locations. We have Addison, Dallas, Frisco, Las Colinas, and Plano. And those of you who live in this area, in North Dallas area, I'm sure you've seen our icon of our building, and we're proud of it. It's been around for a long time, and it's a beautiful building. We are bank with high YQ. High YQ, it's a quotation, it's a dedication of thoughtful, personalized service, which ensure what we do is driven by your best interest. That's what we call ourselves, bank with authentic intelligence versus artificial intelligence. What we do at the bank, we provide a kind of service that make our customers to make smarter choices in business and life. We're here, we just don't rely on technology. We help our customer, we listen to them, we talk to them, we get to know them. It's a relationship bank. All of our bankers they do a phenomenal job in the bank to help our clients. And we'll move on to the next slide. One of my favorite products that we offer, just like any other banks, they offer many products. My favorite product is called Celebration Club Checking. What a coincidence that my favorite products that we sell in the bank, it's same as Celebration Magazine. This particular product, which is a checking account, we offer to our clients who are 60 or better. It is an interest-bearing checking account. And the best of it, it's not only comes with many features and benefit with this type of account, we offer exclusive travel and special events. The bank coordinates at a discounted rate for our exclusive members, trips and events. Just like Celebration Magazine do all kind of events for their member, we do the same thing for our members. And one of most recent one, before COVID time, that I personally attended, it's, for example, you see in this slide, we have Fort Worth bus tour. We went to Holiday in Arboretum. We had a tour of Collin County History Museum. Every single one that I've attended last, I wanted to say 5-10 years, it's been very memorable for our clients. They love it, they enjoy every single one of them, and we always hear great feedback. And I'm sure you've experienced it with your own magazine, especially during this time. It's hard to do big events, so we're hoping to, in a near future, after this COVID time is over, we can have these events again for our members. And what I was gonna move on to, before we move on to the next slide, I wanted to see if anyone has any question about our bank, about the products we offer, you know, and I think we advertise in your magazine as well. You can raise hand, you can have your question in the chat room. Me and my peers would like to answer them here if we can. If not, we would love to get back to you at the end of the call or after the call. So don't be shy. You can ask any question. I've been with the bank for so long. So, and combination of all of our team members, we've had over 30 years experience with North Dallas Bank.
That's fantastic. Okay, so Tina Rosewood would like to know, what is the interest rate that you pay on your checking account?
Well, the rates are varies. I mean, it changes due to when the Federal Reserve changed rates. Our rates are, you know, we get them weekly. I don't have the rate sheet in front of me, but we'd be glad to go ahead and post it later on in, you know, in the sites, or I can pass it on and you can put it in a rate sheet, or I can ask Lisa or Kathy if they have it in front of them. They can put it in a okay, I guess the slides are changing, so
That's okay. But I mean, having interest on a checking account is a rare thing to have anyway, is it not? So
that's
it's
true.
definitely a special feature. So
It is. And I mean, this account, it's like it's one of our, I'll call it one of my privilege accounts, that because it comes with many benefits. But my favorite part, go ahead.
I'm so sorry. I was going to check the rates for you, and I was listening so hard. I forgot that I'm actually doing the slideshow. So I apologize for that. I checked them yesterday, and I think it's 0.05. Not
It
much.
is 0.05.
Yeah, not very much. Yeah.
That's correct.
Okay. Perfect.
okay. Okay. We do have another question here. Someone asked, what is the minimum balance, and is it free checking?
As long as they clients keep about $3,000 balance in their account on a daily basis, there is no service fee.
Okay. What is the service fee if they don't keep that much in their account?
I believe it's $12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that is not that is a very reasonable fee. So there you go. All right. So far, as I'm seeing right now, I don't see any other questions popping up. If you do think of any other questions along the way, please don't hesitate to put this in here. And you are free to continue.
Oh, awesome. Great. And what we'd like to talk about, it's trust between trust and technology. Basically, the tools that we offer at our North Dallas Bank, just like many banks, they offer, you know, many tools that you're, I'm sure, familiar with. One of our, it's a convenient mobile app. We have a mobile app. You can check your account on your phone, on your device. We offer electronic statements. We offer bill pay. You can pay your bill instead of sending a check. 24 hours telephone automated system. And on top of that, we have a live and local customer service representative on our site, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We also offer financial calculator on our website. So if you just like to calculate things, you can use those calculator for free. We offer all point surcharges free ATM. And I need to mention that we do offer more free ATM than combined Bank of America and Chase Bank. So that just tells you in our website or our app, you can put the zip code you're in or area you're in, and it's going to tell you what free ATMs is around you, and you can use them. And then two other features that we offer that they're my favorite, it's person-to-person payment and mobile wallet payments. And they're the technology, I don't know if you use today or not. Many of you may have experienced it, but they're my favorite. And I'll tell you the experiences we've had. Mobile wallet is actually, it's an application that comes with many smart devices. If you have an Android phone or Apple phone, you can scan your debit card or credit card to that application. And when you actually go to the store or a restaurant and you like to pay your bills, you don't have to actually pull your credit card or debit card. You can actually scan your phone. It's an easy, convenience, very secure way, especially nowadays that most people are trying to avoid touching the terminals at the store, or they don't like to hand out the credit card to the waiter, or when they go to, buy something. This is all in your phone, and it's secure. So it's a win-win situation for not only the bank, for the customer and society. So we really encourage this, and it's free to use anyway. We offer that with our banking. And then next one is called person-to-person payment. That's another, product that we're very proud of. What it is when you are like to send money to your children, grandchildren, you're at the dinner with your friends and splitting the bills, and you like to pay for your book clubs. And all you have to do, you get into your phone, and you don't have to ask for other person's banking information. Some people, they're not comfortable to share their bank information with you. So all you have to do to get their phone number or email address, and you can send the fund to them immediately, and it's free. So it's like a cash application, cash transaction, that you actually not involved in a cash or a check. Many of our customers enjoy this product, and the reason why they like to send to their grandkids in college money, they like to send their birthday gift, they go with their friends at the restaurant, and one person pick up the bill, and the other people can pay them directly right there at the at the location. So it's very convenient, and it's very safe. And do you have any question about these products? Does anyone have any? I'd like to share with you one of our experiences. Daniel Cahill, he's our director in our marketing department. He actually last year went to a restaurant with his family, and he forgot to take his wallet. And while he was there, he realized he doesn't have his wallet, he doesn't have his credit card. But the store, the restaurant, they used a mobile wallet device. They would take payment of a mobile, wallet. So he didn't have to go back home. He didn't have to leave his children behind to wash the dishes or keep them as a collateral. So he realized they can take mobile wallet, and he paid with his phone. I mean, most people take their phone with them. So that's just tell you how convenience this product is. And if you never used it, you're going to enjoy using it. And we love it, and we're proud of these services that we provide, and it's free anyway for our clients. And in this slide, as you can see, you can meet Kathy, Lisa, Philip. They're my colleagues at North Dallas Bank. As I've mentioned, we have over 30 years of experience in banking with North Dallas Bank, and I'm so proud of every one of everybody else who works at North Dallas Bank. It's a great local community bank. We are here to help you. We are very personalized, even though during COVID, our lobby was closed, but we still take clients by appointments. They could come and sit down and talk to us. Many of the business community owners, just like Deborah, during COVID, they had difficulty with the payment protection, program with their current bank, and they turned to us, and we were glad we were there for them and helped them navigate their SBA loan and funded them immediately so they can pick up their business and up and running. And we're very proud of that. And beyond that, I don't have anything else. And if you have any question, we'd be glad to help you in here. And I wanted to thank you, Deborah and Zoe and Don for providing this opportunity so we can talk to your clients. And if you have any question, our personal information is in here. You can reach us via phone, email. You can contact directly to the bank and ask for any of us. We'd be glad to help you.
Okay, well, I have a couple comments I'd like to make, and then we do have some more questions for you. So one of the things that I think it is worth stating again is how safe and secure it is for you to use things like your mobile wallet and to use the apps on the phone for your banking. I know, look, I'm young, right? Um, and even I had challenges getting accustomed to using those things at first. And it really took me a while to start taking advantage of those features. But when you do, you really do see a difference in, I'm going to the gas station and I can quickly pull up my accounts and go, oh, well, I'm going to have to transfer money from this account to this account because this is the account that is connected to my card. And really does, perfect example, my husband, every time he uses his debit card at Kroger, it gets declined. So I'm like, well, is there money in the account? So there is money in the account, but that tells us that there's something wrong with the card, right? That we need to contact the bank about the card. So, the team with North Dallas Bank and Trust will would be more than happy to, go through in more detail with their services and how they connect to their accounts with you in person and in a lot deeper detail because it's your money and you want to feel really secure about it. My second comment before we get to our questions is I've had to personally call their customer service line, okay? And it was because for the life of me, I could not remember. I needed to get into my mobile banking on into my mobile banking on the computer. Could not for the life of me remember what my username was or what my password is because I needed to check and see if a charge had gone through, and if it had, I needed to reverse it and dispute it. So I was like, I don't remember setting this up. I have no idea what's going on. Called the bank. It's a local number. Got a local person who, went through my security questions real quick and easy with me. Bing, bang, boom. I was back in no time with no hoops to jump through. Didn't have to be placed on hold. Didn't have to explain my situation a million times to several different people. So you definitely can see the level of customer service that they offer at their branch. So wanted to tell you guys my experience in that too. So some of the questions that I have here for you is someone was asking what your CD rates are at the bank. And is that something you would need to follow up with them on, or are you able to get information?
Well, yeah, absolutely. Because we have different terms and different rates. We have them from 30 days, from a regular CD to a jumbo CD, which is over 100,000, to all the way to 5 years plan. So it depends what terms they're looking at. The rates changes. I'd be glad to get their information. I can email them the rate sheet so they can see variety of the terms and the rates.
Okay, I will write down who that is so that way you know who you can follow up with.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So Kathy wanted clarification on the service fee for the Celebration checking account. I didn't want to respond with the wrong thing in the chat. Is it $12 per month or per year?
Per month.
Per month.
If their balance, if their balance go below 3,000, that particular month, their service fee is going to be $12. Okay. But if they keep it back up to 3,000 minimum, then they won't have any service fee.
Perfect. I mean, heck, I think I'm paying yes.
One thing though that we didn't go over in much detail, but with the Celebration Club account, you don't pay for checks,
Oh,
money orders, cashier's checks. There's a discount on your safe deposit box. So there are a
perfect.
lot of
Future.
features that was on the slide, but we didn't go down the list. But yeah, and if the checks that you get that are complimentary, they're Celebration Club style checking. And I know Bahar touched on the events that are special to just those Celebration Club members. So I know we didn't talk about it a lot, but I wanted to mention that because we do offer free checking, but this is a special product with a lot of
Right.
perks, and
Right.
it has the $3,000 daily balance requirement, but that's because you don't pay for all this other stuff. But just in general, we do have free checking.
Perfect. Perfect. Great information. Okay, let's see. What are my other questions here? So we had someone ask if you're able to transfer funds between banks. Like, so I'm just going to say from your bank to Chase.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We offer external transfer, and with external transfer, they generate, once they have accounts in both different institutions, they can do it through their online banking. They can generate the transfer from one end and to the another, or they can do it vice versa. Yes, we do provide that.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. So, someone asked if this is a Texas only bank.
We are community bank. That's correct. We are
Yes.
local. All of our location is in Dallas Metroplex.
Yep. I've been to their corporate offices. They are very local.
Yes, but we do have a lot of clients that they used to live here. Now they moved on to different estate. We provide bank by mail. We provide an envelope that it's, basically a stamp is already paid. If they wanted to make their deposit, they can mail it in, or through the mobile app, you have the capability to make deposit by just taking a picture of your checks that you're going to deposit. Most people that they moved on to different estates, they still bank with us
Okay.
because they
Perfect.
always say we can never find the same kind of service in any other bank around us. But everything is done either electronically. If they need something, they can always rely on us. They can call us, they get it immediately. Either I can scan, email it to them, or customer service, they will take care of them immediately. You don't have to live locally in Dallas to bank with us. We love to meet you in person, so to have the privilege to have you in our branch. So, but if you are like living in Austin or San Antonio or Houston, for sure you can bank, with our tools and technology we offer. Many of our customers that they're not living locally, they still bank with us and they
Perfect.
use our device.
Now that brings up another question, because I know it's something we talked about, and I'm going to say the wrong thing or say it the wrong way, but you
No.
have a lot of, even though you're quote unquote limited geographic, you have a lot of ATMs in this area, correct?
We
Yeah.
do. As I said, combined with Chase and Bank of America, we provide more free ATM because we are partnered with all surcharges free ATM. It's that all you have to do, just put the zip code and it shows you the list of all the ATMs you can use, and it's free anyway to our clients.
Fantastic. All right. Okay, so we had a question of what is the maximum amount that the FDIC will insure, and is that per account or per customer?
It's FDIC website. It's 250,000 per person, but you can. I mean, if you like, we can talk afterward. The way some of our customers, the way they style their accounts, they can maximize and take advantage of and maximize insurance with Federal Reserve. Yes, FDIC insurance. Yes, so you can maximize that, even though it's a 250,000. It just depends if it's a joint account. If you have beneficiaries on the account, you can increase that amount.
Perfect. Okay. Hang on one second. I'm just responding to something super quick because I got to make sure that I get you the information that they're sending to me.
Be glad to.
All right. Perfect. Okay, so we had another question about the $3,000 minimum. Now, does that have to be maintained in just the Celebration checking account, or can that be $3,000 across all the money in your held at your bank?
In the checking account, the Celebration Club checking, because our Celebration Club checking comes with many perks, and it's like exclusive club, just like Celebration Magazine, that you have to be a member to take advantage of the, all the benefits. We do offer other accounts that you don't have to pay for the service fee, or you can take advantage of other features. But this is my favorite, that it's like same name as your magazine. That's why we brought it up today. But we have many products that we offer to our clients.
Yeah, so you guys offer all the same services that your traditional bank offers.
Exactly.
So yes. So I did have a question, and I'm curious about this too, is what's the difference between your bank and trust? So what's the difference? What is it, just a fun fancy name, or is there a reason that it's a bank and trust versus being like, Joe Blow down the street?
Well, we have trust and wealth management that they in our tower building of the one that I mentioned. It's their products are not FDIC insured, but we have many of our clients that take advantage of the bank's trust department that for future planning, retirement planning, if they have assets that they want the bank to be the trustee and take care of their assets, we offer those services to them too. So that's it's, when the bank was established, the trust department was established the very next year, I believe, after that. So many of our clients are interested not only at the bank products, but also wealth management products. So.
Fantastic. All right. So it's not just a fancy name. let's give Baharik a big round of applause. Thank you so much for taking the time with us.
That's so sweet. Thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, all of my people on Zoom, please stick around with me. We are going to head over to our Zoom. We are going to say goodbye to all of our Facebook people. Do not forget my Facebook family that you can join us at celebrationmagazine.com. Now, if you register on celebrationmagazine.com and you do register for these events, then you are qualified to win the prizes that we'll be giving away. So all my Zoom people, that means stick around because we got prizes to give away. Facebook family, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you again next week. If you would like to join us, celebrationmagazine.com. Tomorrow, we're going to be playing some classic trivia, classic TV trivia tomorrow. And then on Thursday is the very, very special Celebrations Got Talent. So we're going to have our people show off what they can do in the chat. So thank you, Facebook. Everyone else in Zoom, stick around with me.